What have we got going on today? Well, today on Moonshine Wednesday, we are going to make a cranberry orange holiday moonshine. The season's almost over, but we still got a little good times ahead of us, right? And so I thought this would be very, very tasty. It's still cold out, so I think it'll go pretty well. All right, but first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. All right, so let's get ready to get started. Okay, so what kind of ingredients, and like I usually do, I'll put the ingredients in the description box, so if you want to make this, you can. So what's the ingredients we're going to need? Well, we're going to need cranberry juice, and it's your, whatever your cranberry juice of flavor that you like. We'll be using 2 cups of that. 1 cup of orange juice, the zest of 1 orange, a cup of water, a cup of sugar, 1 quart of shine, some orange liqueur if you want it as an option, a little bit of lemon juice, and a cinnamon stick. All right, so what we want to do is basically we're going to put everything in the pot except for the alcohol and warm. We don't want to boil it, but we just want to warm it up to melt the sugar. Okay, so with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want 1 cup of sugar in the pot there. All right, so we got that. All right, now we can put everything, all the wet ingredients in. So this is just plain cranberry juice, nothing special, no added anything. So we want 2 cups. 2 cups. Man, hard to open. All right, 2 cups of that. Okay. Then we want 1 cup of orange juice. Just a hair over. That'd be all right. 1 cup of orange juice. And we want a zest of 1 orange. And if I can do this without cutting myself, I'll be happy. We just want that orange flavor. And if you get a little bit of white pith in it, that's all right, but we're going to try not to. All right, and that's 1 orange. We want a tablespoon of where's my table? There it is. Tablespoon of lemon juice. I've got 1 cup of water. And 1 cinnamon stick. Okay, so let's start heating this up. And like I said, we don't want to boil it. Mainly, we just want to get that sugar to melt. Okay. All right, so let's heat that up, then I'll be right back. Okay, so we heated this all up. And all we got to do now is let it cool down. It's going to steam for a while. It's not too... Pretty good now. It's just steaming because it's so darn cold. All right, so what we want to put in this is, I got 1 quart of 100 proof shine here. So we're going to add that. Okay. And then, just because I think it will taste better, and I do have it, this is just 1 cup of an orange liqueur, just for a little bit of extra orange. Okay. All right. This is going to be good. This is going to be good, but I'm going to put this in bottles. And what I'll use is okay, sorry about that. These funnels got a little screen in the bottom of them so that I can just strain out anything that, really just the orange peel is, I need to strain out. That's why I'm not using anything else. All right, so let's bottle this up. I don't know how many bottles it's going to take, probably 2. I'm looking forward to tasting this one now. Just a little bit more. Next. It's got a pretty color to it. All right. A little bit of overfill. All right. Now we got one more. I think I'll just pour this now. All right. Okay. You know what the time it is now? It is tasting time. All right. But I got a funny feeling this is going to be out of this world. I mean, it's a neat color. All right. It smells like the holidays. Oh, wow. I mean, I could taste the, maybe the, what I call it, the tanginess of the cranberry maybe, and a little bit of the orange. Ah, that is so good. Oh man, you'd like that. It's not overly sweet. I think a little bit, a cup of sugar just knocked that tartness out a little bit. Oh man, I could drink the heck out of that. Wow. That will be made again. Almost tastes a little bit on the grapefruity side, just a little bit, which I love grapefruit. All right. That is our cranberry orange moonshine. And I would have to say it is 100 plus yes. Okay? So, I hope you enjoyed Moonshine Wednesdays this week. I sure did. And I guess the last thing I got to say is thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody.